how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Venmo. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Venmo. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Venmo app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So, what you need to do is tap on profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on setting at the top right corner of the screen. Accordingly, tap on payment methods option under the preferences. Then on add bank or card option. Here you can add your Dasher Direct card, enter your card details. Now go back to the menu tab and tap on Manage Balance option. Then tap on Add Money. From here you can enter the amount that you want to transfer from Dasher Direct to Venmo. After confirmation, you'll see review page where you can double check the details. So that's how you can transfer money from Dasher Direct to Venmo. That's all for this video.